as pesticides are poison and they are to be judiciously used. So for this purpose, we joined hands with Manes, and in the year 2001, a project was started in Hoshangabad under public-private partnership mode. In this project, we are providing farmer soil testing, water testing, and then right use technology, training how to use pesticide, how to use weedicide. And with this initiative, here production and farmer income has increased by 30 to 40%. We are proud to say this was recognized by Government of India, National Productivity Council, and in the year 2004, this district was selected and awarded the best district for increasing the productivity. Now, in pharmaceutical, what is happening? If we are sick, we go to doctor, and doctor give prescription, then we go to chemist shop and procure the medicines. Pesticides are medicines for agriculture like pharmaceutical for human being. But unfortunately, in pesticides, there is nobody to guide farmers how they should use pesticide, which pesticide. I quote the statement of our Finance Minister, Mr. Chidambaram, given in the Parliament on 28 February 2007 while presenting the budget. He said our extension system has collapsed and we are looking for some alternate. So we thought that today most of the farmers approach the pesticide dealer for his technical knowledge. So we joined hands with Manes and sponsored a batch of 40 dealers in district West Godavari for a training program. Manes call it DESI program, Dealers Extension Education Training Program. They charge 20,000 rupees fees per dealer. Our company sponsored and subsidized and paid 4 lakh rupees to Manes as 50% fees of the dealers. And those dealers were given training. This training is round the year, 1 year on every Sunday. And after that, a convocation program was organized last year in Rajamundry, where certificates were issued to these 40 dealers. And through these dealers, technology is reaching to farmers. Regarding Dhanuka Agritech Limited, this is a BSE listed company. Our shares are regularly traded. We are having a FPO plan shortly, and the money collected will be used for expansion of our Sanand unit. We are planning to double our formulation capacity in coming 2 years' time.